Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to use a nav link to make a character walk through a door. A nav link is a way to connect 2 points on a nav mesh that aren't normally connected. So here you can see there's a gap, but these two can still make a connection. You can see that there's a connection because this thin line is actually visible. If I move this one off the nav mesh, then there will be only the thick line. In Unreal there's two types of nav links. There's these simple links, which we have one of right now, and there's the smart link. A link has a start and an end. Has a direction, it can go both ways or just one way. So right now I can see there's only the arrow on one side. If I go both ways, it's on both sides. Yeah, and I can copy the simple link data to the smart link and delete this simple link. Now there's no link visible anymore because this is not turned on. Smart link is relevant is off. If I turn it on, we see the link again. We're going to need a smart link because the smart link will allow us to trigger custom behavior. A smart link will actually notify you when it's being used, unlike a simple link. Yeah, and I'm going to put it into this actor, which is for the door. I have a bunch of code here for opening the door, but it's not being used yet. I'm going to put in a proxy as a child actor. The child actor class will be the nav link proxy. Now I have to set up well, first of all I can delete the simple link, which we're not going to be using. And then smart link, I turn on the relevance and set the positions. It's going to be both ways, and this can be a little closer to the door. These are local coordinates, so it will work for all the actors. And now I should see it here, and it has a connection. A character will also use it already. And of course we actually wanted him to open the door, so I'm going to pull in the child actor, get the child actor and cast it to a proxy. And then I'm going to bind to the event when the link is being reached. And I'm going to use this custom event that I made earlier. And what this does is it first casts the moving actor. This is the one that's using the link to a character. Oh, this is old. Yeah. It calculates the direction in which the door has to rotate to open the door, depending on which side is the actor is on. I'm not going to get into that. Then it turns off the movement by setting the movement mode to none, and then it plays this timeline, which will just increase this value over the course of 1 second, leave it open. This is the open amount. So if it's at 1, the door will be open, and if it's at 0, it will be closed. So it just opens, then waits half a second, and then automatically closes again. And then there's this event track, which is just this one key here. This will trigger this. It will just turn the movement back on. And this update will take the open amount and rotate the door up to 90 degrees in the direction we've calculated earlier, and just set the rotation. The rotation is set of this hinge object, or the component, which is the parent of the door. It's just this brown cube in the middle. So whenever the hinge is turning, it will open the door. And Now you can see that he will open the door, so he waits because his movement mode is set to none, and when the event is triggered, as you can see here, this is the on fully open event. It will just turn this back on. Now if I click here, oh, he's going the wrong way. I was hoping it'd go over the top, but yeah, this works. Okay. So what you might want to do if you do this in a real game, maybe you would make a real animation there, or figure out a better way of doing this, but it basically works, and that's gonna be all.